What's up, everyone? This is Yevhen from the local Canadian company Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg. It's time to troubleshoot Samsung home appliances. Today's video is dedicated to the repair and maintenance of a Samsung FTQ386LWX electric stove with a glass ceramic surface in the Rockwood area of Winnipeg. Today I will show you how to diagnose and repair an electric stove with a faulty burner. Don't worry, it will take no more than 5 minutes. Let's go. When turning on the right near burner in the heating mode of all three zones, it is visually noticeable that one of the zones in the center is not working. There may be several factors causing this. A faulty heating element, a heater control switch, poor contact, or faulty wiring. I partially disassemble the stove to gain access to the components I am interested in. I check all components visually and with a multimeter one by one. Gotcha. 3-zone burner has a break in one of the heating filaments. I replace the faulty burner with a new one and assemble the stove. Checking. Success. The Samsung stove has been tested in all modes and is ready for future use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have questions about repairing a Samsung stove or questions about any other appliances, shoot us with a comment and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.